Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be having a look at this. Now, I've had this for a year this year, but none of you have ever seen it before, so I thought, you know what, we'll do an unboxing review of the Hornby J50. So, we will get a shot of it down on the floor and we will unbox this. So, this is the front of the box, guys. Right, what we're going to do now is take away the first, oh my god. How many times have I done this? Right.
Try and keep it on the floor.
There we go. Sugar. It's very, stiff, that, to pull off. Right. So, the loco is in Hornby's famous block of ice packaging, which actually started from Batman, so it's not really Hornby's famous, but they still use it now. So, it's very heavy, you know. Just saying. Which we know. The instructions, you always got to have a look at the gump, as it's called. That does not say anything anyway, because the instructions are separate. So that's just literally useless. You do get couplings. Speaking of them, they are here. I had to take them off to put back in the box for you guys. So they can just go there. So we pull away this. And then I think it's this bit. This bit? I put this in the box 10 less than 5 minutes ago, and I didn't even know how to get. There you go. So that lifts off. Got all this to keep it lovely and secure, and then you pull it out, and we'll show you the loco up close in a second, guys. Up on the railway, and we'll run through some of the detail that's on the loco.
Here it is.
So, this is the loco. We've got it on the track because we don't actually have a white background, but because the railway's white, we thought, it'll work. So, it's got a lot of detail. It's very heavy. The reason it's very heavy is because the running board here, I think, is die cast, because you can definitely tell, because if you look at this part here, where the screw hole is, that is a different material. It's like a metal, you can definitely tell. So, it's very, very heavy for that simple reason. So, let me try and I can't even put it on the track. Right, there you go. You've got, the lining is very black because it's LNER black, but there's no red lining like you would usually expect. But this is just a plain black one because I think it looks fantastic in this colour. So you've got very well done lining here on the side of the boiler where the tank is. And you've also got straight through the tank here is where you can actually see. If I get the torch though, it's very hard to see. See the reverser there. And there's a lot of detail underneath there as well, which you can't actually see in normal light. So, it's very lovely to see. If you look in the cab, you will see there's also a lot of detail in there. I'll get the torch in so you can just see a little bit more. Jack can do that because he's filming anyway. We don't want to look at Samsung's. There you go. Look at all the detail in there. It's very hard to see, but I'm incredible. It's incredible that they've actually put that much detail and effort into a really enclosed cab.
It's also hard to get the light in. It's a sort of, but you can guess that it's all.
It is lovely.
Very.
Down here, you can see we've got these very. These here, what are these? These bits of where the water drips out of and steam comes out. These are very, very delicate. They are very beautiful though. It stands out. Got the coal load on the top. That is also removable, so you can, if you want, you can actually remove it. There you go. You can remove it if you want to put your own coal in it, which is a nice touch really, because not a lot of people. There's a bit of something in there. What the hell? Anyway, put that back in. We went down to where the rear buffer beam is. You can see we have some lovely metal buffers, and these on the tank engine are actually sprung, and sprung buffers are amazing because they're really cool. See, they're sprung. They are on the front as well, obviously. I have seen a review of a loco once where the front ones were and the back ones weren't. And it was the same with the tender, so the tender didn't have sprung on the front did. It was weird. Don't need to think we need to turn it around, but everything's got a metal touch to it, so all the whistles and the safety valves all have a metal touch to them. It is a very lovely loco. So, why are you getting the stove out, L'Oreal?
I'm trying to get your metal whistles and safety guards, whatever you said they are.
Safety valves.
Safety valves. Shoosh.
So, we'll wait to the front. We'll move it along a little bit so you can get the front end. Very lovely front end. You can see you've got like all your lamp irons, and then you've got your darts for the thing as well. It's all metal and all separately fitted. This is good stuff. This is like a high range model. This loco RRP is 92 quid. And I got a set, and I'll show you what I got in it. I got this loco, just from the LNER, which most of mine are. The loco, I'll just pop him on because he's not running anywhere. That's the Flying Scotsman. That was 100 quid with 3 coaches and track, and that's 92 quid on its own.
So that sort of gives a good
gives
perspective.
you a perspective of how expensive one this hobby is, and secondly how good that model is, because its racing is incredible. I see the white lining on the front as well. There, very very fine. It's incredible how they're doing, isn't it? Mm. Right, what I think we'll do now is we'll move away from the detail, and I think we'll give this loco a little run for you guys. Right, so we've got it on the track here, guys. We have attached it with these lovely LNER terrestrial coaches. Now, they are beautiful little coaches, but they're very light, and this loco, because they're so light, could probably pull about 100 of them because they're that light. But for this video, we're trying to run it with a nice small train. It's actually a 4F, which is a freight loco. If you want to pause the video here, so if you want to pause it and have a read of that, then feel free, you actually can, because all of that is very interesting. So we will see what this loco's slow speed is, which is actually on the HM2000 controller. It does spit into life quite. So I can't really get it any slower than that, because it. Come on, J50, go slower. I mean, usually that'd move, but I don't know. See if I can get it on the, on the inside one.
Yeah.
Because that's a different controller. If I stick him there, see if I can get a slightly slower speed. Where is it really? Hello.
No, no. Wrong way.
Oh. It is a bit jolty because the inside track sounds good. But I can get it a lot slower, so if that was smooth, that would run. I don't know. It runs better.
It can run at decent slow speed. Obviously, some trains can do it better. Don't get me wrong.
If you want to know what good slow speed is, Prairie.
It's
a great loco at doing slow speed, but it can run at that speed all day with a long train.
Yeah.
A little bit quicker.
So obviously, you can pick him from quite slow, as you've seen, to some decent cruising speeds, and the
only other unboxing
quite
review,
quick as well,
guys, before Christmas will be this. Now, there's nothing in the box.
Oh,
one problem is that the coupling always falls off. Anyway, it will be the LNER Class 60. Now, that is there.
yes.
So if you want to pan towards the shelf so everybody can see what we've got, which isn't a lot. Well, it is actually. That's the LNER Class 60. I will review that maybe before Christmas, I'm not sure. So that will be coming soon, or sooner or later. I'm just going to fix this. You can show them some other models while I restore what's happened here. So we've got quite a lot of steam, as you notice. There's a lot of steam. We are getting 2 big, massive engines. We're getting a Lord Nelson class and the standard class 8 Duke of Gloucester. Yeah, so you can pan towards the J50 again now because I've restored the coupling back to working normal. We'll get some shots.
Yeah, so this is where my side comes into it. Oh, hey, enjoy the shot.
Come on.
Filming.
You filming? It's going. Ooh, which one's he going in? I don't care, to be honest, as long as he reverses to the station. Coaches are in, J50's in. Lovely.
Nice.
Nice pack.
Right. Is that it then?
Yeah.
So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, and if you really enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe. But, guys, I hope you've enjoyed, obviously, this unboxing of the J50.
LNER J50.
I was going to get 60 out of there somewhere. Right, yeah, J50.
We do have a couple more of these on. I'll do the Lima Class 60.
Yep.
Because it's the only other one with the box that I've kept. And then at Christmas, we've got double unboxing. So,
Yes.
I'll do Lord Nelson 460. I will do that on Christmas Day, and then on the next day, I will post the unboxing of Duke Gloucester. But I'll unbox them on the same day.
So there are two videos that are going to be hitting
They've
your way.
already been out.
December the 25th, 2019. But
26th.
And 26th, yeah, obviously, yeah. But yeah.
If you enjoy these new selection of videos that aren't gaming, then I very much do hope that it's good for you. We have a lot on the.
Appreciate any comments as well.
If you would please comment down below. We are doing a giveaway on Horizon 4. So if you comment down below.
Yes.
Your game tag.
It's the it's the 2020 New Year giveaway, I believe it is.
Yes.
Yes.
New Year giveaway.
Yes.
It will just be after New Year.
Yeah.
So if you want to enter, you've got to comment below.
Yeah. And
you've got to
follow me on Mixer, J36 Gaming.
Follow me on Mixer as well.
Yes.
Don't say my name, please.
You do know you can change your mix now.
But I want to change my game. I want to change my thing. Please go and follow us on Instagram. The link is on the screen that'll come up after this. So you can see all three of them, but we'll only be using two, which is my personal and this. So I very much do hope you have enjoyed these videos, and we will see you in another video, guys.
Ciao!